para sa mga indigenous mga product or materials para sa among ink. So, karon guys, mag-sorry may nag-collab ang duha ka group. So, karon mag-start na mi. Bye-bye kay maluwat ang phone.
A few moments later.
Hello everyone! This video shows how different plants such as gumamela, malunggay, alugbate, talbos ng kamote, santan flower, butterfly pea flower, and anato seeds together with charcoal can be used to create natural pigments. Through this step-by-step process, we highlight how indigenous knowledge uses eco-friendly and sustainable resources to produce ink for writing and artistic purposes. This activity also emphasizes the importance of preserving traditional practices and understanding the value of natural materials found in our environment.
2,000 years later.
So now, let's begin with the process. Before we start extracting the ink, we prepare a container to use. The container that we're using are all mineral bottles that were used. What we're doing here is we are trying to shred all plants that we gathered here in the first video. As you can see in the video, we are trying to enjoy shredding all the plants. So here are all the plants that we are going to use in order to make an indigenous ink. So as you can see in the picture, here are all the plants that we are going to use. We have hibiscus or the so-called gumamela. We also have moringa or the so-called malunggay. We also have charcoal and also the Malabar spinach or the so-called alugbate. We also have the talbos ng kamote or sweet potato leaves. We also have the santan flower, the butterfly pea flower, and also the anato seeds. First, what we're going to do is we add a little oil to make the ink smooth, help it stick to paper, and flow easily when writing or drawing in the canvas. First is put the malunggay and the oil on the container. The next step is to start pounding the oil and also the plant so that it will mix the ingredients we put in. And we are also going to squeeze it well to get the juice. The second plant is the so-called Malabar spinach or alugbate. For the second plant, we have the butterfly pea flower. The process is just the same with the Malabar spinach. And for the third product that we have, the charcoal, we are going to crush it properly and shatter it with cloth. Due to this charcoal's powder, we use a strainer with a piece of cloth to extract the fluids. And for the other products, the process is just the same, just like the alugbati berries and also the anato seeds. To all of the plants that we crush, we are putting it in a cloth so we can squeeze it to get the juice. In this part of the video, we are trying to get all the fluids that the plants contain. And these fluids are the one that we're going to use as an ink. So here are all the final results. So we all have here our inks. And these are all the inks that we're going to use in the canvas. Thank you for watching.